Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Tag Manager UI container and tags, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Tag Manager UI container and tags, begin by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container you wish to uninstall. Once in the container, navigate to the Tags section in the left sidebar. Review the list of existing tags within your container. To remove a specific tag, click on the tag name. In the top right corner, click on the More options, represented by 3 vertical dots. Select the Delete option from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again in the prompt. Next, go back to the main container dashboard. Click on the Triggers section in the left sidebar. Repeat the same process for any triggers associated with the tags you just deleted. Now, navigate to the Variables section. Review whether any user-defined variables are linked to the tags. If so, click on the variable name, then choose the Delete option in the menu. Next, go back to the main container dashboard once again. Click on the Workspaces section to review if any workspaces exist for your container. Select any additional workspaces you want to uninstall, repeating the deletion process for their respective content. Once all tags, triggers, and variables are removed, click on the container name in the top left corner. Select Admin from the drop-down menu. In the Admin section, click on Container Settings. Scroll down and find the option to Delete Container. Check that you have removed all installation references from your website code or CMS. Finally, ensure that any related analytics or tracking functions are also updated to reflect the removal of Google Tag Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.